dog.
My friend is so stupid that he thinks twice before saying nothing. Why do dogs lie down? They can't lie up. Idiot says to the other, why do dogs lie down? Why do dogs lie down? Policeman says, a summer visitor asked the farmer. Oof! Oof!
Ah.